Hi friends, it's me, Bri. Today, let's draw a picture together, like this. Do you know the story of Elmer, the patchwork elephant? You can read with me in another video. Today, let's draw. Let's draw Elmer the elephant from this story. Elmer is all kinds of colors, just not elephant color. For this project, you'll need paper, a black pen, a pencil, and colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, and black. Now let's use your black pen to make the outside of the elephant. Go around at the top of the paper to make your elephant's back. A little tail down to the first leg, the back leg. Now his tummy and a front leg. Now a little bit of a squiggly line up to his mouth. We'll make a happy, smiling elephant just like Elmer. Keep going down. This is the elephant's trunk. Then up, 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 up to his head and back. Let's draw 2 more legs. 1 more in the back and 1 more in the front. Now his ear. Elephants have big floppy ears like this. And now his eye. Make a circle. In the circle, a smaller circle. And 1 more, the smallest. Now color. Just a little bit more detail on the elephant's feet. He needs toes. Bye-bye pen, hello pencil. It's time to make our patchwork design. Let's start at the legs and feet. Patchwork is just a lot of lines. Some go side to side, some go up and down. Please follow me. A patchwork ear. And now, a patchwork body. A line above his eye and over. Skip the ear. A line under his eye and over. A line through his mouth. And 2 more on his trunk. Now let's make lines going down. Follow me. Now you can see patchwork is just like a checkerboard. It's time to color. Let's use all the rainbow colors, just like from the book. I'll follow the pattern from the story, but you can change the colors or order to anything you like. I'm starting with blue. First, I'll make an outline of this square and then color it in. Next is yellow. When you outline the square, it makes coloring easier and faster. Purple's next. Outline and color. Let's finish the first row slowly together. Orange is the next color. Outline and color. Next, pink. And to finish this row, just a little bit of red. But wait, Elmer has patches of white, so no color. Skip. The next square is red. I'll speed up. Keep on coloring. And pause the video if you need more time. Oopsie, it looks like I made a square that wasn't supposed to be there. It's okay. No problem. I'll choose a color of my own. I'll choose blue. Now keep coloring. Keep coloring until you're all the way finished. Wonderful! We made Elmer! Great job! In the story, we saw the other elephants embrace their personality. They painted themselves in different colors and designs. You can do it too! I had fun drawing tropical, different patchwork, rainbows, outer space, and even elephant color. Follow the link in the description box to print your own patchwork design or a blank elephant to make your own. Use your imagination and have fun! There are lots of ways to express yourself. Different colors, different designs. How do you express yourself? Like this? Like this? How about like this? Like this? Or maybe like this. Follow the link in the description box to design an elephant of your own. You can make a patchwork elephant like Elmer, or you can make any design you want. Use your creativity and make it yours. I want to see your elephant. Please tag me on Instagram @_bridraws_ and use the hashtag bridraws. I can't wait to see your elephant. Please subscribe to my channel for more books and more fun. Bye-bye.